home and you want to make this freaking shirt, anybody who hates on you about your freaking...
I'ma do it. Hello all you beautiful of the world, IsabellaAtchina here, back again with another YouTube video, and today we are going to be doing copying Emma Chamberlain's YouTube video. Now, I know this trend is old, but I don't really care because let's be real here, Emma Chamberlain is always in style. So I was watching her video and she made a Gucci shirt and I was like, I want to make a Gucci shirt, so I'm going to do it. But, you know, she went out to Michael's and like bought stuff. I'm not that rich, so I'm just going to do it with supplies that I have here because I think I have like 20 cents. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get on to making this Gucci shirt. That was a really excessive one. And we are back with all of our supplies that I just had around. So yeah, let's start watching. I think that Sharpies are really gonna help me out with this, so they're here.
Okay, the first step is to write the words Gucci on the front. That's easy enough. I mean, like, write Gucci. Big whoop. With a pencil. By the way, I'm using a pencil because, you know, if I mess up, then I can erase it. Even though I don't even think you can actually erase on a shirt, but
I don't have a pencil, Emma. This is all I can do.
Emma, if you're watching this, that was really rude of me, and I am so sorry.
A lot of pressure on me right now. Okay. I feel like I'm doing this too small, but you know, it's okay. Fun fact, Calvin's scared of the tripod. My G. Can you even see that? No. It's okay. It's okay.
Why do I keep saying okay? Like, am I okay?
You. It's done, my dudes. Okay. The Gucci part. The words are done.
if you're watching this video, please send me a real one, just so that I can, like, compare, you know, just for, like, marketing purposes.
Gucci, send me one too. Okay, great. Thanks. I thought we were friends. You guys didn't tell me I had face cream on my face, but it's okay. It's okay. Let's just get back. Let's just get back to the video.
I think it's time for me to start painting, but this
Oh, we're
paint is,
painting.
like, permanent, like it will stain your clothes. So I kind of need to protect my outfit because, like, you know, I'm wearing a very high-end outfit right now, a hoodie and leggings. So I need to protect my outfit. So
Trash! Just like me. Beautiful. This should be my Gucci shirt right here.
take my solid gold paint. This is actual gold. I'm trying to make an actual Gucci shirt. So why would I get something that wasn't?
Because I'm broke. Gosh.
I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna dip it in the gold and I'm just gonna start painting. This is kind of like too light. Like, I feel like this should be darker. Like, it's like the gold is like too light colored. So maybe I should add some brown.
Skirt. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ooh. Oh no. I'm not good at this, guys. This may look really easy. It's not, man. I'm not an artist. I'm an artiste.
Are you high?
She looking good. Rochelle, come in here and look, see how it looks. Doesn't it look just like it?
No.
What do you mean? Why not?
You think color it in all the way.
No, it looks perfect. It's perfect just the way it is.
And the colors doesn't match up the one in that picture.
Yes, it does.
It doesn't have enough yellow in it.
You know what? I don't need your negativity in my life. You can just leave.
Dog's coming with me.
The Gucci is all filled in. So now we're gonna go on to like the bottom part. So let's go see.
I think it should be. And if it's a little bit unique to me, then I can like brag to people about how nobody else has this, you know? It's a limited edition. You can't find it online. That's why like
Yeah, this shirt is definitely super limited edition. They made it just for me, not for you. Me, because I'm special and you're not. Now I'm going to be taking my Sharpie in the color Gold Metallic. ASMR. And we're going to make the G's. This is probably going to be the hardest part for me. Honestly, I should have done the whole thing in Sharpie. It looks so much better. I'm following Emma's tutorial and Emma knows what's best for me, so yeah. My camera's going to die right now. It's flashing, but it's okay. Guys, I can't. It looks just like a Gucci shirt. Oh my god, it's so good. Okay.
I keep getting some of it in my mouth, but I forget. It doesn't even say it's non-toxic, so like I could be dying from this right now. Now all I've been
If you die, can I have your YouTube channel? I should be doing this like circle part in like pencil or something, but no. Go big or go home. Don't at me.
Don't at me doesn't even make sense.
Just ruined it. I'm sorry. This used to be good and now it's not. I'm sorry, Emma. So now we're going to be taking this green color. Did you like hear that? That was gross. That was gross. Okay. I was going to make a Van Gogh pun, but I'm not funny, so I didn't.
It's definitely a little bit shifted over to the side, but whatever. You know what? People aren't gonna notice the stuff like that. They're gonna notice quality paint job.
Well, I wouldn't say the paint job's good. Just like me. On to the last color. Oh, it's new. No, it's not. I've just been lazy. The masterpiece isn't the shirt, it's really the plate. I'll show it to you guys later.
Why does this look so good? I'm like genuinely
Mine looks
weirded out right now.
perfect.
Oh my god! What the heck? I don't even know what to do with myself right now. Okay, here's the final shirt. I mean, come on.
I think mine looks just like Emma's. I think it's really cute and I'm so excited to wear this every day. Like, look at that. That looks just like the shirt. So yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this week's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And not even that, if you like Emma Chamberlain, give this a thumbs up. So if I don't have 1.9 million likes, that was really cringe.
This whole video was really cringy.
Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
They'll say something, I'll be like, oh my god.
The real work of art.
I love it too, and then immediately I'll be like, no, I hate
Me.
So we're making the thumbnail, and I thought the shirt was dry, but it wasn't, so yeah.